Now, in order to register a tournament, visit allauction.in and sign up with your mobile number. So here you have to add your WhatsApp number and send OTP. Now you will receive OTP on your WhatsApp number. Enter OTP and sign in. So this is your platform. In this, you have to click on Add Tournament and enter your tournament details. Tournament name and organizer name, series. Here all details are mandatory. Okay, so your username, password, auction date, place, everything you have to fill, and you can add your tournament logos. Accept the terms and conditions and add tournament. Now the tournament has been added successfully. Now you have to click on your tournament. So here you will see your tournament status active. Also, you will receive a WhatsApp notification of the tournament details like your admin panel link and the LED screen link, etc. Here in portal also, when you click the I button, you can see all the links here. So from here also you can take and you will also receive a WhatsApp notification as well. So let me log into the admin panel. Now, here you have this user live view and TV screen player display, etc. Now let me log into the admin portal. With the username and password. Let me select my tournament here. And with the username and password, yeah, I have logged in. Here, this is the dashboard. Here you can see all the options to add players, details, teams, and etc. etc. Next is user live view. This URL you have to provide to the team owners so they can see the live status of auction, available player, sold player, etc. Next, TV screen. This TV screen link you have to connect it with the LED display, and while the time of auction, people will see this screen. So this is how you have to sign up a tournament and have all the access to our links.